10x is a very different concept. We are a school, of course, but we are a different school. We are trying to bring in different elements to your life. And in order to bring those elements to your life, you have to make sure there is no distraction around you. So the black and white removes the distraction. Your school bag has this feature, a drone which is a camera, high definition camera, so you can actually see what happens. Okay, and then you can put sensors onto it. And somewhere there in the bag you have that 3D pen, the blue. So you can study, you can experiment at your own time. You don't have to be in the school to do this experimentation or to learn. The cube, this you see, it's a portable 3D printer. So this you take it home, it's just 1.7 kilograms. So you can actually have 3D printing done at your home, whatever designs you have. So that way you can do a lot of prototyping, and Mysuru is the hub of entrepreneurs. So we are trying to make you an entrepreneur by simply equipping you with all the tools.
So when we talk about the holistic education, in IB especially, there are 4 very important parameters which are taken care of. The first one is the academic excellence.
So you will need to scan this QR code and enter the game pin to log on to the game.